Kinda lonesome back here. Little help.
Okay. Just, I have to keep my hands on the wheel.
Excuse me.
Dopinder.
Pool. Dead. Nice.
Smells good, no?
Not the Daffodil Daydream.
The girl.
Ah, yes. Geeta. She is quite lovely. She would have made me a very agreeable wife. But, Geeta's heart has been stolen by my cousin Bandhu. He is as dishonorable as he is attractive.
Dopinder, I'm starting to think there's a reason I'm in this cab today.
Yeah, so you called for it, remember?
No, my slender brown friend. Love is a beautiful thing. When you find it, the whole world tastes like Daffodil Daydream. So you gotta hold on to